Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of Proving That the Earth is Flat with memes. Here we go. I would like to credit here commentary me, memes from Bored Panda, and inspiration from my class like Scott and Chris and all their other goofy classmates and any of my other students who would probably find this very educational. I would just like to say Bored Panda has contributed these memes through a long list, so I just, I'm kind of scrolling through them now, and I will let you know what I think of each of them. So let's give you a little picture to check it out. So here we go. Number 1. Crazy how nature does that. That is crazy. And it's amazing, wonderful. Can you imagine if we were to be on Jupiter? We would just slide right off that thing, but on the Earth, it's flat. It might even catch you if you fall off Jupiter. Okay, next. The Flat Earth Society has members all around the globe. Obviously, our following is so global that you would be dumb not to believe it. If all of these people believe it, how could you not? Right? There's not that many idiots in the world, right? There has to be something here. If the Earth was flat, cats would have pushed everything off it by now. Well, have you heard of mountains? Hello, they stop the water from falling off, they stop the cats from pushing things off. It's not rocket science, people. Okay, finally got banned from the Flat Earth Discord by posting a forbidden image, so not on Discord, so I'm not really, sure what those kind of people are thinking, but if they don't believe that this flung all the dinosaurs off, well, you ask those people, where are the dinosaurs now? Do they have an answer for you? Probably not. Stupid. Okay, you know that the Earth is flat, but if the sun is a star, why isn't it like this? I would ask the person who wrote this, have you ever seen the sun? Because last I heard, if you look at the sun, your eyes burn off. So, for all we know, it's shaped like a heart. Like if we really don't know. Okay. The Earth is flat. Evidence you're wrong. Evidence you're right. Okay, so I really like this one because it is telling you, right? If you are like this person, you're listening to what all these people are throwing at you, right? These people giving things, they're putting things in your head, like NASA, trying to corrupt you, but you just listen to what's inside of your own head. Ignore them. Listen to what's inside your head and your heart, and it will not lead you astray. That is where you will find the truth. Okay, next one. Gotta love this solar eclipse. Yeah, so I don't see how you can argue with this photo, this actual photo, not like the ones they took of Earth and the Moon, but this real one. Look, this flat shadow from the Earth. If the Earth was round, don't you think it would be more like a crescent shape of the Moon? Look, it's flat. Duh. Okay, next one. Excuse me, sir. This seat is exclusive for disabled people. This guy, the Earth is flat. This other guy, okay, sorry to bother you, sir. So, I would just like you to take note of this great level of respect shown to the flat earthers. They deserve that seat, right? It is for them and their genius in their head. Okay, moving on. This is sexy. This is not. Real Earth has curves. I don't even know what you're talking about. First of all, sexist, right? You're trying to make the Earth look a certain way just because of who it is, but you can't make the Earth look anyway, right? You might think that and make all these pictures of the Earth being spherical because you like it, but we look at facts here, right? And the fact is that the Earth is flat. Okay, moving on. The Flat Earth Society wins a free trip to space. Cheer up, gang. Even though it appears we were wrong, at least we won this free space tour, right? Okay, Mission Control, we get it. You can fly us down now. Mission Control. Alright, what I see here is NASA sending off to space the people who don't believe what they do. So why do you think that the Flat Earth community remains as small as it is? Is because they always get sent to space by NASA and never come back. Makes a lot of sense, right? Okay, next. A lamp. Day and night. A lamp on the bottom. Day. Well, the people who made this obviously don't know how a lamp works because when you turn the lamp off, it becomes night, right? So, day, lamp on, night lamp off. It's very obvious. If you have that sphere, when will the bottom half ever get day? It won't. Even if you turn the lamp off and the top half gets night, well, the bottom half will still not be midday. So it really doesn't make sense to me. Right? I don't get it. Okay. Checkmate, flat earthers. So we see this little stripe here, and that's actually kind of funny. You see the parts of the globe. But what these people don't realize is, well, number one, it's not black, like that top little thing on the, that stripy metal piece that's black, right? That's blue, obviously. And second, you know how light works? It travels in a ray, a straight line. Hello? Okay, and it's flat, like the Earth. Come on. Alright, next. The best proof of the flat Earth so far. So I really like this one personally, just because it literally is a small picture, right? You see the grass growing on there, you probably have ants walking around. Are they sliding off the side? Nuh-uh. They stick right on the top of that flat Earth. Okay, Flat Brain Society. So, someone showing this picture of the brain of someone who believes in the round Earth and the flat Earth. Well, I just want to ask you, when you pour water on a ball, where does it go? Does it stick to the ball or does it roll off? Let me give you an answer. It rolls off. Right, on this one, if you pour water on it, where does the water stay? All around. It's like a frisbee. You pour water in it, it stays, right? There's mountains that hold in the water on the flat Earth. It's just like the brain of this person on the top right. You pour information on it, it just slides right off, right? They're not going to listen to you. Flat Earth, they have an open mind. They will listen to you, and the brain will catch the true knowledge. It will hold it like the flat Earth holds water. Okay, next. Yeah, we're not going to comment on this one. Okay, moving on. Let there be ants. The evidence for a flat Earth is derived from many different facets of science and philosophy. Let there be anteaters. Yeah, we're going to move on from that one too. No comments, but just that obviously someone really tried to make this spiritual, which I do not appreciate. Okay. If the Earth was flat, would it wear its pants like this? Or like this? The bottom one, obviously. I don't even know how you could argue the top one. Okay. If the world is round, then how did the astronauts take this picture? I mean, come on, people. It's obvious, right? It is flat, just like this. Every map that you've ever had on your wall is flat. Okay, if the Earth is flat, why are rainbows like this and not like this? I'm going to steal this joke I heard from a YouTuber, can't remember his name, but anyway. So, this rainbow is curved because your eyeball is curved. What do you look at the rainbow with? Your eyeball. Your eyeball is round, so you see the rainbow as round. Have you ever seen anyone with a line eyeball like that? I don't think so. Please. Okay. When you were looking for a recipe, but ended up browsing for 7 hours, and now the Earth is definitely flat. That is all the time it will take for you to change your viewpoints. Just go browse for a few hours. You'll believe me. Checkmate, everyone. All I can say is I would not want to be living right here. In fact, I live in Indonesia, right down there on the bottom right. Have I fallen off the Earth yet because the bottom half of it was round? Like some sort of upside-down hemisphere? I've stayed on just fine. So obviously this is incorrect. Okay, 1980. I bet there will be flying cars in the future. What actually happened in the future? 2017. We did something even more amazing. We realized that sea level is actually flat, not sea curve. Right? There's more proofs, and you can go look up this guy, whatever. But wake up. Wake up. Who would win? 3,000 NASA scientists or 20-minute flat Earth YouTube video? Maybe watch my own, maybe watch this one that's somehow 44 minutes even though that says 20 minutes. Whatever, it doesn't take the whole time to realize the truth that all of these NASA scientists have worked together to lie to you for years. Okay, next one. How are the nukes supposed to reach California if North Korea is across the map from us? Hello. It goes way over all of these countries, across the Atlantic Ocean, across America, and to the other coast. You don't think North Korea is powerful? Okay, that's your problem. You take that up with North Korea yourself. Alright, next one. When he says the Earth is flat and you have to fix his brain, this is, again, why, just like NASA sending us off to space, there's other people trying to put spikes through our heads because they don't want us to get across what we believe and what is true. Geography classes in 2040, we hope, will finally mend their spherical globes to represent the truth. If the Earth is flat, why Wi-Fi logo is like this? Well, first of all, that grammar, let me just tell you. And not like this. Hello, it's a rainbow. You know what rainbows mean, right? They're a promise of something. Well, this rainbow is a promise that you have Wi-Fi if you see it, right? If it goes away, no Wi-Fi. Duh. Okay. Watches Flat Earth conspiracy videos on YouTube for 5 hours. I was wrong. Nicholas Copernicus. Yeah, that's what I thought. Another one. Logic and scientific facts proving that the Earth is round. Flat Earth Society. Flat Earth Society. Flat Earth Society. We don't need that. We only need our brain. If the Earth isn't flat, why are shoes like this and not like this? Duh. Your shoes are flat. If you try to stand on a ball like that, you would fall off. If the Earth is flat, explain this. If the Earth isn't flat, explain this. Yes, very true. Flat Earth, the case closed. If our Earth was spherical, the aliens would be here already. If Earth isn't flat, why computers mice like this? Again, the grammar of these people. But, yeah, it is flat here, like the Earth. Hello. What you see and what you believe. Have you ever tried to believe something that you cannot see? I don't think so. And that's all I have for you guys today. So, yeah, I hope that you understand how these memes really, really prove that the Earth is flat, and I hope that you take this as your educational lesson for summer break. We'll see you all in class next year.